Whenever I show the kids, this is a play that really resonates with them. And it's things I know to be true. The collaborative project as well. They have to explore a particular theatre company. And Frantic Assembly is a really popular choice with my students. The digital theatre resources, the interviews with the performers, the director, production group, the study guide, the lesson toolkits. That's the one that I think has been used the most by the biggest number of students would be the resources available to Things I Know to Be True. And it's just a great production. The access to plays is really important for me because we're in regional Japan. Now, there's only so much access to theatre. Digital theatre plus having access to plays via a platform has really opened up our world theatrically. And digital theatre plus offers my students a little bit of a fast track to become a little bit more educated within theatre. If we did not have access to a platform like Digital Theatre Plus, we'd be behind the eight ball on so many levels. But this has been huge for them. It's massive to give them a variety of creative viewpoints. It opens doors and say, I'm allowed to think outside the box. Aside from the access, which I cannot stress enough because that is amazing for us, it'd be the other support material, the interviews, the lesson toolkits, the study guides. These are invaluable, and not just for the teachers, because as I mentioned before, I allow my students to peruse those. Within the exploration of the assessments and within simply trying to learn, the depth of the material available in DT Plus makes it invaluable. Within the collaborative project, they've got to explore companies. Depending on what style of theatre they've chosen, there are resources available to them for the research presentation. And probably the biggest one is the director's notebook. Because within the director's notebook, they have to be able to talk about what theatre have they seen that inspires them. And having the world at their fingertips, readily available, is so big. Thus far, I haven't been able to find something that offers as much for a comparable price. I don't think I've encountered another company that is as flexible, as personable, as friendly as DT Plus.